Is Kubuntu better than Ubuntu?
Ubuntu with a KDE is Kubuntu. Whether you consider Kubuntu or Ubuntu better depends in part on which desktop environment you prefer.
I'd like better performance.
Some people can't stand the Unity interface, given its Amazon ads and Windows tablet look.
Whereas KDE is less cluttered.
It also a lighter desktop.
I don't notice the difference in color, though I'm sure it is there.
Kubuntu uses a less graphics-intensive user interface, so it uses less RAM and active computing power to run the menus, icons and notifications.
I didn't notice that.
Kubuntu's lighter GUI also means that it needs less memory overall to exist on your computer.
Ubuntu is already pretty light on the OS, compared to things like the iOS or Windows.
Everything is light compared to Windows. But Kubuntu developers selected a number of applications that use less memory and resources than the ones on the Ubuntu OS, so it needs even less to run.
I wouldn't think that it would make the system that much faster.
If you're running bioinformatics software on a standard PC or high-end gaming on an older PC, Kubuntu might be light enough to make an average PC's performance rival a high-end one.
I heard of older PCs being given Linux to run like a high-end PC.
And Kubuntu is light enough to keep a 486 PC alive.
Bringing back old hardware from the dead is an interesting way to make a living.
Consider it the ultimate in green IT, along with one of the cheapest ways to refurbish hardware just by changing out the OS.
I'll just say cheaper than trying to install enough solar cells to run a data center.
With Kubuntu, you keep all the same hardware compatibility Ubuntu had too. And the software options.
You had me at cheap.